In this tutorial, we'll be going over GooMail. Let's begin. In any internet browser, please visit mail.goozmo.com to get started. That will take you here to the login screen. You log in with your username and password. Your username is your full email address. Once logged in, you will see an overview of your email messages. It usually defaults to the main inbox. Let's take a quick look at just the overall features on this page. You have your main menus up here. You can refresh your emails, create a new email address, reply, reply all, forward, delete, and some settings. Over here, you can see your folders. This email address only has one folder, but we will go over adding new folders here in a moment. Over here, you will see a list of your most recent emails. There are two ways to view emails. You can double-click them, or you can click down here, Show Preview Pane, and you can have a preview on the same screen. For the tutorial, we'll be going to turn off Show Preview Pane. Some other quick options that you should be aware of are the select options down here. You can actually select all, you can group, you can mark all as new or read, etc. There's another icon up at the top left. It's a little small, but if you click on it, it will reveal some new options. And a new feature in GooMail is Thread option. There are other options, and you can turn them on and off depending on your preference. When you're done, click Save. Thread option basically groups the same email threads so you can see the chain of communication. Let's go ahead and deselect these. To add a folder, there are two options. You can click on the gear icon down here to manage folders, or up here, click on Settings, and then click on the Folders tab. To add a folder, you simply click on the plus button, type in the new name. You can actually set some defaults. We'll go ahead and set Threads, and click Save. And as you can see, there's a new folder. So to go back to the mail message view, click on Mail up here, and now you'll see a new folder. It's very easy to manage folders and move messages there. Simply just click on the message you want and drag it to the folder you want to put it in. Let's go back to Settings. Here you have a handful of settings that you can use to switch on and off to customize the look and feel of GooMail. You can change time preference, mailbox view. When you're composing messages, you have a whole bunch of options here. Displaying messages. You have some control over your address book, special folders, and server settings. The Identities tab up here is where you manage your signatures. You click on your email address. You can set any of these settings to whatever you would like, and add a signature here if you would like. Let's go back to Mail. Let's look at composing a new message. Click on the new message icon at the top menu. This is basically the format of your standard email program. You put in your to address, subject, and message. Down here, you can change it from plain text or HTML to your preference. You can also add multiple CC or BCC and other options. Whenever you see a gear throughout the GooMail, these are other options that you can choose. This is, for example, where you would set the priority setting. Up here is also spell check. Attachments are added over here by clicking the plus button and uploading a file. Let's review the address book. From the main menu up at the top right, you will see address book. Here you can add, delete, and edit contacts that you can use when composing messages. To create a contact card, all you do is click on this menu up here, the plus, and fill out the information. You can have a first name, last name, multiple fields for information below, and you can even add an image if you like. Let's go back to the mail view. You can sort any of these messages by subject, from, date, and size. You can also search on any email messages by using the search box up here. If you click on the small magnifying glass, it will review other options that you can search. There are also some filters that you can also pick if you want to hone in on a message. You can also move multiple emails around or delete multiple emails by clicking one, holding the Shift key, and selecting more than one. Here, you can drag and drop to the new folder, for example. And we can move all of these back to the main box if we like. Those are the general settings of GooMail. To log out when you are done looking at your email, just click on the log out button. And that concludes our GooMail tutorial. Thank you.